What's up? So, I just finished my first year of university again. I'm at Ryerson, and one of the courses we gotta take is organic chemistry. And I just took that in the winter term, which seems like so long ago. But I just wanted to put together a small video about less than 5 minutes that outlines how I went about surviving organic chemistry. Obviously, this isn't a hard and fast list, but it might help you going forward if you're going into nutrition and food, or you're taking an organic chemistry course for the first time. All right. First things first, and this might be overlooked, but you need to take the course seriously. It's not as easy as it seems. It might seem like it's a lot of review from general chemistry, but you really need to put the practice in, because the testing will be different, the questions will be different, and your understanding will be tested. So you really need to put in the right amount of time to ensure that you get the most out of what you're learning, okay? Don't just go in and think that you're just gonna memorize things and come out with a good grade, because it's definitely not gonna happen that way. I'm not trying to strike fear in anybody, but this is something, I'm just trying to set expectations for surviving this course, okay? It is definitely doable, all right? That's the first thing. The second thing is, determine how you learn. Are you a visual learning? Do you like tactile learning? Do you get the most out of putting these ball and stick models together? Because if you do, then by all means go out and purchase a set. I am kind of in the middle of the road. So again, it depends on how you learn. Do you just get concepts when somebody regurgitates them to you at the front of the class? If you're that type of person, then maybe you don't need to buy this, and maybe you can pool your money in with classmates and purchase one of these model sets. New, it's about $45 with tax and shipping. So it's totally up to you. All right, the third thing is to, and I alluded to this in my first tip, is to practice, practice, practice. And as an addendum to that, don't memorize concepts. You need to practice, understand why you got something wrong, and then move forward. And on the topic of getting something wrong, be prepared to fail. And I don't mean being prepared to fail a midterm or a final exam or a test or assignment or whatever. It's be prepared to suck a lot at the very beginning. Excuse me. You're not born knowing everything, and that's why you're in school. So don't worry if you don't get concepts the first, second, or even the 50th time. Eventually it's going to click if you commit to the course. All right, the fourth thing is to use the resources available to you. And I don't just mean tutoring, I don't just mean the professor's office hour or office 50 minutes, depending on how they set it up. But you need to use all the resources available to you, and that's not just the textbook either. It's your friends, it's upper year students, it's people who've taken the course before, working groups. Use websites like Khan Academy. I couldn't tell you how much that website saved my butt this term. Oh my goodness. Sal and Jay from Khan Academy, much love to you guys. I've never met you, but if I ever do, I'm gonna give you guys 2 great big hugs because you helped me survive this course. All right, there are other websites on the internet, Mastering Organic Chemistries. MasteringOrganicChemistry.com, sorry. And Leah Forsai, she's got an amazing collection of cheat sheets that are quick rundowns of concepts such as reactions, and the same can be said about MasteringOrganicChemistry.com. Those are invaluable resources that can help you pass this course the first time. I think that's it. If any of you have any tips or suggestions, or if you want to correct me on anything, please leave this in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys later.